Hi, I'm Travis, and welcome to my Automation Bootcamp. So in today's fast-paced world, we're expected to do more work in less time than ever, meaning that it's more important than ever to leverage technology to do as much of our work for us as possible and give us some of that precious time back. And that is where Python comes in. No single programming language offers as much flexibility to automate as many different kinds of tasks as Python, which is why I'm super excited about this course and why you should be too. This bootcamp will be all you need to go from a complete beginner in programming to using Python to solve a wide range of real-world problems, streamlining processes and saving you time at the office, and maybe even at home. After a brief optional crash course in Python programming, we'll dive into how Python can be leveraged to automate things like file and folder operations, spreadsheets, email, and even the ChatGPT API. And even if you're already handy with Python, you'll most likely pick up some new tricks along the way. For example, we'll cover handy techniques like regular expressions for advanced pattern matching in depth. But rest assured, all of the course content is relentlessly focused on practical applications. No pie-in-the-sky theory here. And that really gets to the core of my teaching philosophy. Being a self-taught programmer and analyst, my experience has taught me that the only way to truly master a technical skill is with hands-on practice. If all you're doing is watching videos of somebody else writing code, you may as well just be watching TV. So in this course, you'll be building a series of projects that will give you the opportunity to apply the concepts you've learned right after you learn them. These projects include, just for example, a script that helps you quickly organize files and folders within a specified directory on your computer, a diff analyzer program that automatically analyzes the data across two worksheets in a spreadsheet, either Excel or Google Sheets, and then summarizes the differences between those data sets, and even a chatbot powered by the OpenAI API that lets you chat with a virtual celebrity of your choice. Now, while hands-on projects like these are absolutely essential for mastering Python automation, or any other skill really, one thing I've encountered all too often in my own learning journey are course or class projects that are so poorly structured, poorly explained, or disconnected from the course material that they discourage people from wanting to learn. That's why the projects in this course offer multiple paths, depending on how comfortable you are with the topic at hand. You can choose to challenge yourself by using a detailed set of requirements as your jumping off point, just like a real-world developer would, or if you're not quite comfortable with that yet, you'll also be able to refer to step-by-step instructions that will guide you through the phases of each project. Either way, you'll be building and learning. And by the end of the course, you'll find that you're not only a better Python programmer, but you're also better equipped to help any business, even if it's your own, become more automated and efficient. And that, to me, is why the subject of automation is so important. It really gets to the heart of what programming is all about. Classes and objects, and libraries and modules, and paradigms and philosophies are all fine and necessary. But at the end of the day, programming is about solving problems. Doing things, at least the kinds of things computers are good at, which there are seemingly more of every day, faster and more efficiently than any human. So you and your organization have more time to do, well, everything else. Maybe that means you do more work in the same time, or maybe that means you just get a little more time to relax every day. Imagine that. Either way, this course is your quickest path to get that time back. Speaking of which, I think it's time for us to get started automating stuff with Python. I'll see you in the course.